Finance example 11. Suppose Liam, following the exact same plan as the previous example in example 10, but instead of saving for retirement beginning at age 40, he started at age 25. Okay, so again, our time is going to change here, isn't it? So we've got 65 minus 25. So he is saving for 40 years. Okay, and again, keeping the same information that we had before, he is depositing $1,800, and he's doing that at the rate of 6%, and he's doing that quarterly. Oops. And again, this time it was for 40 years. Okay, so again, we're still in the annuity business. So 1,800 times 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4, raised to the 40 times 4, or 4 times 40, I guess I should have said. Okay, and then minus 1, all divided by 0.06 divided by 4. Okay, again, if you don't have the fraction capability on your calculator, oops, guess that's what that was about too, right? Sorry, matter of habit. So 40 times 4 gives us 160, if that's your thing. And so when we put that in our calculator, we should get $1,179,415.39. Now that's a considerable difference in what we had before. So yeah, you might want to start saving right now.